Summer is here, and the combination of a nice weather and the fact that the kids are out of school means that there are so many people looking for a way to not be stuck in the office for 40 hours a week, and I totally understand. I remember being in the same boat, having the same feeling, which is why I launched my first side hustle about 2 years ago now, which now makes me a living wage from the comfort of my home or the lake cabin or really anywhere I'd like. If you are ready for the best high-paying side hustles that you can start from anywhere and with no degree, then stay tuned. Today's video is for you. When someone first starts looking for side hustles online, they oftentimes get discouraged, and understandably, because a lot of the videos that you see out there are promoting side hustles where you can make honestly pennies, at least not very much. And for me, if I'm going to be putting in the time, I want my time to be worth it. After all, I don't want to be hustling forever. I want to hustle so I can get out of my current situation and set up sustainable systems moving forward. And you probably are in the same boat. On this channel, we are all about leveraging our time to get the greatest return on our time and therefore give us back our greatest asset in life, which is time. And most of us want to be spending time with our kids or our families or traveling or doing whatever else we want to do, not be stuck in an office. All of the ideas today actually pay well, require no degree, and have flexible hours. I know for many of us, that's a very important piece. We want to be able to do this any time of day, whether that's late at night, early in the morning, during nap times, etc. While none of the ideas on today's list are easy, I actually don't believe in easy. I don't believe anything in life worth doing is easy per se. They are also not complicated, meaning literally anyone can make it work if they have the desire to do so. Number 3 and number 4 are the two side hustles that I personally do and that have scaled up in order to make me a very comfortable living wage and that I collectively spend between 5 and 10 hours on a week. Number 1 is a virtual assistant. Now this is a very approachable first entry into side hustles that actually pay well. The types of things you could be doing as a virtual assistant is things like setting up appointments, responding to emails, and managing social media accounts. There's no experience to get started, but you will have to be resourceful. Most of the tasks that you're going to be asked to do are very straightforward, things like answering emails. But if your boss asks you to do something that you are unsure how to do, Google is an amazing resource, as is YouTube. And so this is a great job for you if you're resourceful. You don't have to have the answer, but you do need to go out and figure out how to do things. 2 freelance marketplaces you can get started on are Fiverr and Upwork. You can easily start making $25 an hour, and once you get reviews on your belt and experience on your belt, you can easily scale up from there. On Upwork, the potential client is going to list the jobs that they want done, and you're going to go out and bid your price on their services. And then on Fiverr, it's the reverse, where you as the person providing the service are going to go and put up a job post, and then the client is going to find you to hire you. So it often works best if you start on Upwork. This will probably mean offering your services for a little bit less in the beginning, but the good thing here is it's going to build your resume and get you those positive reviews, and then from there you can launch over onto Fiverr and start scaling your hourly wage from there. Also, on both of these platforms, I would just suggest that whoever you are bidding a job for is actually vetted. On Upwork, that means that little blue check mark, and the payment process should be going through these third-party systems. You just want to make sure these are legit individuals or companies and that you're actually going to get paid. What I love about this is there's oftentimes going to be daily or weekly tasks that need to get done, but as long as you're accomplishing them, it doesn't usually matter what time of day you get them done, which means these have great flexible hours and is a great one to get your foot in the door. Also, if you really hit it off with a particular client, this can oftentimes mean repeat jobs. The final thing that I love about this option is that it's a great place to start while you're still working your 9 to 5. You can build up the side hustle to a point where it's actually verifiably sustainable before you go ahead and take that leap, because you can be accomplishing these jobs in the evenings, early mornings, over your lunch hour, things like that. Number 2 is a bookkeeper. And what's so awesome about this job is that it's relatively minimal work, and once you learn how to do it, it's pretty repeat work, meaning not much of a mental load is having to go into it. The typical workload is between 1 and 4 hours a month. You could easily make $1,000 to $2,000 a month very easily by taking on just 1 to 4 clients, and if you wanted to make this more of a full-time thing, you could scale up from there. The hours here are extremely flexible, meaning you can do these types of things at all hours of the day, and you get to decide how many clients you're going to take on. The duties here are going to be about once a month, you are going to record financial transactions for your client. You're going to gather that information, organize that information, analyze that data, and then present it back to the client. So this is great if you're an analytical type, you love things like like spreadsheets, this is going to be right up your alley. No, you do not need experience to get started. There are a lot of inexpensive courses that you can take online in order to learn how to do this. They'll take between 1 and 2 weeks to get fully verified, and then you'll be ready to rock and roll and go from there. For this job, you will need to be organized, detail-oriented, and once again, resourceful. So if that sounds like you, this job is right up your alley. Number 3 is selling digital projects on Etsy. And if you've watched my channel for any amount of time, you know that this is one of my personal favorites and the very first side hustle that I started when I was looking to expand my streams of income. I was able to start my digital product Etsy business when I was still working my 9-to-5 and when I had a newborn. So this is very, very doable. Although the success is not necessarily overnight, it builds on each other and snowballs in a very beautiful way. A lot of people out there are going to say that selling digital products on Etsy is oversaturated, but I couldn't disagree more. You simply need to know how to research the market in order to find where supply is low and demand is high. And if you're still doubting this, I'm gonna go ahead and post a video right here on 6 different Etsy products that all make at least $100 a day on Etsy that are all digital. This isn't necessarily an overnight success type of thing. In my first 6 months working on my Etsy digital product store, I was making about $600 a month in profit take home. Then the next 6 months after that, I was able to scale it to about $1,000. And then finally, when I really hunkered down on the research methods and again, studying the market, I've been able to scale my store to anywhere between $4,000 and $6,000 in profit every month. So it's very doable. You have to be a little bit more patient with this one, but I like it because it is a long-term business model if you do it right. For my Etsy shop, I work on it about 3 hours a week at this point, so not very much, and it's still able to sustain that. Before we get on to the 4th and final idea, I would like to ask that if you are enjoying this video and learning something from today, that you like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm here for you guys, and so if there's also something specific you want to know about in the side hustle or making money online niche, go ahead and put that in the comments below. Number 4 is freelance digital marketing. Last on the list, but certainly not least, as this one has the highest potential earnings. In case you didn't know what freelance digital marketing is, it's where you get to promote products for another company. Therefore, this means that you don't have any inventory, you don't have to deal with shipping, you don't have to deal with customer service. It's all around really awesome. Over 86% of existing companies, well known that you know and love, have affiliate programs in place already. Think Target, Sephora, Amazon, that's a big one everyone knows about. You just have to figure out how to get these products in front of customer eyes. And I have so many videos on my channel to help you out on how to do this. So as you promote these products, if someone buys from the link that you provide, you get a commission of that sale. And of course, these commissions can range from pretty minuscule up to pretty substantial, things that we call high ticket. As I mentioned, I have so many videos on this on my channel. I'm gonna link a video right here on how you get into affiliate marketing if you don't wanna show your face, but you are open to using social media. And then if you don't wanna use social media at all and you don't wanna show your face, I have a wonderful complete masterclass on how to get started with affiliate marketing and Pinterest right here. So you should check out those 2 videos. Of course, you're welcome to show your face. That is a very successful strategy as well, but I'm just being upfront with the different options for you when it comes to affiliate marketing. Finally, if you would like to check out the initial course that I took that taught me everything I know about affiliate marketing, it is a 15-day business builder challenge. It costs $7, and you can go ahead and check out the link in the description to check that out. Whether you want to take that course or not, you can get a free copy of my affiliate marketing starter ebook, and that's all at that first link in the description below. I hope you got some inspiration from today's video. I'm so excited for you to go out there and start making additional streams of income. Please let me know in the comments which ones you're going to try, and I will see you all in the next video.